In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Yahoo email account with your Gmail. This guide will take you through the process step by step, so you can consolidate your emails in one convenient location. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Gmail inbox. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small settings icon that looks like a gear. Go ahead and click on that to access your Gmail settings. This is where you'll find all the options to customize your Gmail experience. After clicking the settings icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you will need to select See All Settings, which will take you to a more comprehensive settings page. This is your control center for all things Gmail, and it's packed with features to help you manage your email, customize your interface, and integrate other services. Now find the Accounts and Import tab among the other tabs at the top of the settings page. Click on it and you'll be redirected to a section specifically designed for managing your accounts and imports. This is the gateway for bringing all your emails together. Once in the Accounts and Import section, look for the Add a Mail Account option. Click on it and a new window will pop up, prompting you to enter the email address you wish to add. Go ahead and type in your Yahoo email address here. You want to make sure you type the correct address to ensure a smooth integration. After entering your Yahoo email address, follow any additional prompts. Gmail may ask for permission to access your Yahoo account or for configuration settings depending on your Yahoo email security preferences. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully added your Yahoo email account to Gmail. Now all your emails should land directly in your Gmail inbox, giving you the convenience of managing multiple accounts from one single interface. This can save you time and streamline your email communication, whether it's for personal use or work. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you run into any issues during the process or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to assist you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more content just like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.